Hey, in this video, I'm going to go over creating your own ebook, say a digital product. Digital products are fantastic if you don't know about them. Basically, you can create them for a lot of different niches and they can become a source of passive income. So, what I mean by that is that you can create them once, and then when somebody buys them, they can automatically get delivered a PDF or, say, a Canva template link, and you don't need to do anything else besides just be a point of contact if anyone has any questions. If you want further training than what I'm going to show you now, I'd highly recommend checking out the Simply Passive course. I'll leave a link down below, and that has training, but it also has a lot of information about how to promote your products online. What I've done is I've gone into the search bar here and I've just searched ebook, and this first template looks really good. It's 11 pages. So I'm just going to click on that one. So this is already done for you, and then you can just edit it to have your content. I'm going to show you some tips now of sort of basically making it your own design. So say I want to change this color. Maybe I want it to be slightly pink. And then down the bottom here, this is what's going to make it so much easier. So you say change all for all pages. So not only do I have the first page, but all of them have changed. So now we can see that this font isn't very easy to read on here. So we can select this, change it to say black if we want, and then again, change it for all. And now it's going to change it for all of them. We want to change the font, we can do that as well. So select it again. Maybe choose League Spartan. And then again, we go down the bottom here and we say change for all. Now you're really starting to sort of change it because you really want to make it your own. So obviously it says your logo here. Another great thing is you see it's got really great site here. So that's like the generic thing that Canva puts in. But obviously, as you can see, if you wanted to change it for all of them, it would take a long time. So what I'm going to show you is you can do this. So Control F to find and replace. So I'm going to make sure it's got the same uppercase. Put that in and then just change it to mysite.com or whatever, and then say replace all. And now it's changed across all of the pages. Another great thing is that if you want to change the style, then you can go to the styles tab on here. You can choose all these different colors. So maybe we'll completely change it, because this is a thing. You could have one product and say it could be a template like a business planner or say a calendar, and you want to do a few different styles for people. So this is how you can easily change a style. So this is, you could say this is one product, but say we change it to this one. So there you go. Maybe somebody wants something really funky. And again, it hasn't applied to all the pages. So I could just say apply to all pages. Completely different, very bright. Maybe you want something a bit more soft pastels. And it's just done it on the page that I selected. Now, but I can say all pages again. Here you go. Now you've got another listing that you can put up for a different style. You can also change font styles. So there are fonts down here. You can say see all. And maybe we'll go with this. So we can change the images as well. So if you're not very fond of, say, cacti for any reason, we can go to photos, and I've got Pro. So I can change it to whatever I want, sort of thing, because I have access to it. But there's plenty of free images here that you can change it to. So maybe we want to change it to the bonsai like this one. Just to give you an example. We can also add in links. So say this could actually link off to your website. So you just put in the link. So if you want to share these on Etsy or whatever platform, you could either give somebody a PDF, which, say, for example, if you don't want them necessarily to edit it, you just want them to have an example, then I would select PDF standard. There's print, but the reason I would say standard is because, say, any links are still clickable. With the print, they seem to, it flattens all of it. If you want to share it as a link that somebody can edit for themselves in Canva, then that is here, and that's a template link. And you'd say create template link and then just copy the link, and they'll be able to open up your design. A lot of people, when they start their digital products, they might use ChatGPT to help them write the content. Well, this is the great thing about Canva. So I'm going to click in here, and you saw it come up there. So if I go here and I say magic write, and I can either tell it to, more fun, more formal, sprinkle fairy dust. So I'm going to say more fun and see what it does. And so, it edits it. And then also you can obviously get it to expand. So I'll see if there's somewhere here. I can say, right, oops, that's going to be really big, isn't it? Right, oops, excuse my terrible typing. Write a paragraph about why to buy a bonsai tree. And then I'm going to tell it to continue writing, and that should expand it. There you go. So you can see how easy it is to build up your ebook. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.